Wadja, wapsushkoni. Mushiabachtan human. Graduantaya. Lagoda.
Judy Dolero Dishnikas. Awi Quendo Lang Dolci.
Bonjour, Wayland Sutherland, Indigenous Language.
White Cohuita, Corey Sampson and Squest, the Kumi Blood, the Sickle Gain.
We need to bring back the Cree names of all the places that have been given English names ever since the settlers came in 1600s.
And we also need our young people to learn.
And we have to do our best to assist our youth who are virtually losing the language.
For our languages to thrive in our community is a community involvement. It starts from the kids to the grandmothers to the leaderships to the family unit.
I think language is very important because our culture is rooted in our language. Do your best to learn what you can every day, even if it's a word. And then when you regain your language, you'll have your connections to the land.
And the importance of using my language is to strengthen me and to encourage others that need to take a look at who they are in terms of language.
It makes me feel proud. Sa channel Ungulin. Thank you from the bottom of my heart.